As I said before, my name is Andrew Brandt. I'm with Hashgraph, but I'm supporting the Hyro project. One of the things that I really wanted to talk about during this conference, especially with maintainers, is how do we engage people and how do we make sure that we are able to continually engage and grow the community? And that's a really challenging thing to do, I think, in any project in the open source community. It's hard to bring people in and get them up to speed, and it's hard to keep them there and really help them grow. This community here that we have on these maintainer days for the next couple days is a great opportunity for us to go across different projects and identify what works well or what has worked well in the past, the challenges that we see with engaging with the community, and what opportunities do we have, right? So even if something's a challenge, what can we do to capitalize on that challenge and really take that as an opportunity and drive forward towards success? So with that, we have 3 discussion questions to kind of talk through as a group. Ideally, we would look to split out probably into some smaller groups, maybe 3 to 5 people per group. Ideally, make some friends, meet some people you don't know. Go through these discussion questions, talk about other discussion questions as well. This is not an all-encompassing list or anything. But really, what has worked well for you with projects in the past? What are your challenges that you're facing that you would like some help from other teammates in? And then what opportunities do you see for your project and for the community at large? There's a post here under the discussions of this Decentralized Trust org in the Maintainer Days repo, where we can have each group basically reply to a thread, and that way we can capture all of our discussion. And then we'll do that for about 20 minutes. And then we'll come back together as a large group and kind of hit the highlights. One of the great things about doing this through a discussion is that it's all there and available for us to go through, and we won't forget it, right? Because the worst thing that can happen with a conference like this is you have all these great ideas, they're not captured anywhere, and a week from now, everybody's forgotten what we talked about. So hopefully that really helps us provide kind of a concrete place that we can reference back and continue to grow from there. So with that, let's kind of divide out into some smaller groups. And let's you have something?
One thing, just in terms of getting to that discussion post, if you're not on the Wi-Fi, there is a password for the guest Wi-Fi